Hi class, so today I'm going to be showing you how to take your night before Christmas assessment. So you're going to go to the table of contents on the top of our classroom website and just click the Christmas assignment and it'll take you straight to it. And this is just a Google form, and what's really important about Google Forms is that you make sure to submit at the end of the assignment once you're completed, or all of your hard work will just go to waste. So, it's also kind of tricky because all of the questions are a little bit different. So, with questions that are formatted like this with the multiple little circles, you'll just click the just one correct answer. And if you ever feel like you don't need an answer or you answered incorrectly, you just hit clear selection. You'll have a clean slate to work with. And with questions like this, you'll just hit the arrow down and choose one of the answers that you see best fit. And with this one is also a little bit different. This one you select all that apply and all the ones that you think are necessary, and if you think you clicked on one that wasn't, you just click it again to unselect it. And with this one, you will just type in with your keyboard whatever your answer is and just use your backspace bar like normal. This one is like the first question, and once again, this is just another short answer question. And like I said before at the beginning of this video, it is very important that you hit submit at the end of this assignment. This assignment is due by Friday, and I look forward to seeing all of your answers. Thank you.